In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Squarespace's settings to invite contributors to your website. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just want to expand your website team, these steps will guide you in a clear and straightforward way. It's all about making sure that you can easily collaborate with others, enhancing your website's capabilities and reach. First, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and head over to the Squarespace website. You'll find its clean and intuitive layout welcoming you in. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already. If you're not immediately in your dashboard, take a second to navigate there so you can start tweaking the necessary settings. Now, once you're in the Squarespace dashboard, look for a section or tab labeled Settings. This is where you can manage many aspects of your site, so finding it is a good skill to have as you get more involved with your Squarespace project. Give it a click. This will open up a series of options that allow you to fine-tune your website according to your specific needs and desires. Next, within the Settings menu, seek out an option called Permissions and Ownership. This is the key area where you manage who has access to different parts of your website. It's crucial for maintaining security while enabling collaboration. Click on that, and you're getting closer to your goal. Once you click on it, you'll notice an option that says Invite Contributor. By clicking Invite Contributor, you'll be able to add team members or collaborators who can help you with the creation and management of your site. Each contributor you invite can have different levels of access depending on the roles you assign. For example, you could have editors who can add and edit content, or administrators who can change settings. This flexibility is one of the great aspects of using Squarespace for your online presence. Finally, once you've sent out invites to the folks you want collaborating on your site, you can relax knowing that you've successfully opened up your project to new possibilities and expertise. Remember, working with others can not only reduce your workload, but also bring in fresh perspectives that might help in growing and improving your site more than you might have imagined. And that's it. You've gone through the process to configure your site settings to include new contributors. This simple yet effective way of inviting collaborators is pivotal for those interested in expanding their websites with the help of others. With these contributors on board, you'll be better equipped to take your website to the next level. Thanks for joining me today, and happy building.